To picture a true business analyst, you need to think of Sherlock Holmes. If you wonder what on earth Conan Doyle's character and an IT worker have in common, we assure you that they do have lots of similar qualities. Both business analysts and Sherlock Holmes have strong analytical skills which help them collect and interpret data, determine patterns, and they both also use logical reasoning to come up with the right conclusions. Besides, business analysts are also able to effectively communicate their findings, making others consider their point of view. If you don't know whether you need a business analyst in your team and want to learn more about their role in software projects, stay tuned. My name is Alex, a co-host of Just a Thought podcast. Within the next 10 minutes, you'll find out when having a business analyst is a must and what role these experts play at each stage of software development lifecycle. Meet a business analyst, an unsung hero of your project. If you think that a business analyst is just a fancy way to call your project manager, no offense, but you're wrong. Instead of managing the project, these guys are responsible for analyzing and interpreting raw data and documenting business processes. Moreover, business analysts build requirements, closing the gap between software development team and stakeholders. Then, they transform these business requirements into specific tasks that are assigned to the development team. And when it's a time to call for your hero. An expertise of business analysts is an absolute necessity rather than a whim in case 1. When you have a business idea but lack specific requirements. A business analyst can help you outline business requirements as well as create relevant documents such as use cases, user stories, and similar. This specialist also come in handy if you operate in rapidly changing industry. As soon as the market demands change, a business analyst modifies business requirements to make sure that the product remains appealing to its target audience. 2. When you need to set and prioritize concrete business goals. A good business analyst not only helps you with building measurable goals and objectives, but also explains what needs to be done to achieve them without any major drawbacks. 3. When you need to assess the impact of your project on your business metrics. A business analyst can predict the costs, benefits, opportunities, and risks related to your projects. On top of that, they may also build a business case for you to show the expected return on investment. 4. When you need to identify business challenges. A good expert helps to see the root cause of problems and suggest effective ways to address them. And what superpowers does a business analyst have? A good business analyst is a jack of all trades that performs multiple functions in the project. The most common are clarifying project idea. First things first, a business analyst identifies the major purpose of the software project and outlines the pain points your solution is expected to address. This specialist also determines the product benchmarks, like value proposition and customer acquisition strategy, and suggests the implementation strategies, which are most convenient for software engineers and stakeholders. Shaping the development direction. Once business requirements are set, business analysts plan development tasks. They assign different roles within a team so that developers will be able to deliver the expected business value when working together. Approving requirements. When validating the requirements, a business analyst makes sure that they are in line with the client's business goals. They also ask for clarification from stakeholders in case there is any unclear requirement. Analysts rely on various strategies such as workshops, interviews, and document analysis to collect the important data and build a clear project roadmap. Standardizing the software development process. To ensure the streamlined workflow, a business analyst documents the process, establishes specific standards and guidelines, implements different tools like project management solutions to support development, and reports to stakeholders on the progress being made. So, who can make a great business analyst? As you can see, the job of business analyst is very versatile, which means that these guys should possess a wide range of skills to perform well at work. There are lots of cases, actually, when they look more like superheroes from Marvel Cinematic Universe. Without further ado, let's talk about the skill set of each good business analyst, which makes them a hero in a project. A great business analyst is like Doctor Strange, a decision maker. Doctor Strange is not only a skilled healer, but a sorcerer that can see the future. This helps him come up with the right decisions when serious challenges arise. A business analyst can also make predictions by processing lots of raw data and evaluating different options. In such a way, they choose the solution that would benefit the company most. In fact, business analysts make decisions with superhero speed to survive the rapidly changing business world. They respond to the challenges that the industry throws at businesses with sheer resilience and flexibility. A great business analyst is like Iron Man, a problem solver. People who are anything like Tony Stark make fantastic business analysts. Iron Man is a pure genius who builds new technologies and makes changes to his armors as soon as any problem pops up. Business analysts do almost the same. They identify the underlying cause of a problem, rather than deal with annoying symptoms. Having dug to the core of the issue, they help the team to fix the bugs and deliver product updates that address users' pain points. A great business analyst is like Vision, an analytical thinker. Vision is another fictional character descended from the pages of Marvel's comics. Just like this hero, a business analyst logically processes data and makes conclusions based on the best available evidence. Thanks to profound knowledge and high level of adaptability, both Vision and business analysts are able to solve the most difficult puzzle, see specific patterns and trends, and suggest the most effective strategy. Being an analytical thinker also enables analysts to communicate their findings in a comprehensive and concise way. A great business analyst is like Black Panther, an inquisitive leader. Black Panther was created when the artists saw an analyst performing their job. Jokes aside, business analysts do remind this fictional character because of their inherent curiosity and knowledge. To write a well-crafted documentation, you have to dig deep into different methodologies, approaches, and formulas. Similar to Black Panther, who seeks knowledge possessed by prior Wakandan kings and queens, a business analyst stays curious about new techniques and guidelines to write docs like process flow diagrams, task plans, business requirements, to name a few. Now, let's define the role of business analyst in the software development lifecycle. Business analysts bring their competence and skills to the table at each phase of the process, from planning to implementation. Let's discuss a few of them. So, planning. At the outset of a project, a business analyst identifies the business needs and pain points that the solution will address. This may presuppose working hand in hand with stakeholders to understand their expectations from the project. Then, analysts collect data to search for inciting opportunities for a business. Also, they are often involved in creating a project timeline and determining possible risks and challenges that may pop up during the software development process. Next, requirements analysis. This is the stage when a business analyst takes the lead. They define what the business needs at the moment without going too much into detail about specific tools and technologies that might be required to deploy the software. That will be done a bit later. Analysts cooperate with stakeholders as well as end users to gather requirements and prioritize them, and update when necessary. Analysts juggle different techniques and methods to collect business requirements in the most efficient manner. It's not rare when they have to rely on several methods simultaneously to achieve the desired results. The most widely used approaches to requirement gathering and the description of the other stages where the business analyst is invaluable you can find in a JEDUP article. The link is in the description to this video. In the end, it has to be said that with a business analyst on board, you can maximize your potential. Throughout the software development lifecycle, business analysts are like Marvel superheroes who identify and address different threats despite any obstacles and challenges. They use their unique skills such as problem-solving or decision-making abilities to find the most effective solution to complex issues facing the world, or at least the industry. If you feel that you need your own kind of Iron Man who will guide your project from start to finish, just reach out to JetUp for talented business analysts. We've been delivering business analysis to our clients for 7 consecutive years. Our professionals know how to properly analyze functional requirements, write specifications, and coordinate the work of development team. Our clients agree here since they stay with us even after 3 years of cooperation. So don't be shy and text us here in comments, find us on LinkedIn, on Facebook, write us an email, or call me directly. All contacts are below in description. See ya!